Here we gonna use slash command for quickly editing photos. I added multiple photos as a reference and I use slash swap dash clothing for swapping their clothes. Here we don't need to write long prompts or manually describe everything for editing photos. Just using that cheat code or writing slash before, we get professional level edits. Here now I will tell you a slash command or cheat code that gonna blow your mind. Firstly, I gonna write it and then I tell you what it gonna do. Here you can see in generated image it kept everything pose, face, lighting, everything identical and it just swapped the clothes. Now I gonna upload reference image. Next cheat code we gonna use is character sheet. Maybe we need to select create image option for creating that image. It instead giving a description of that particular image. So let's try that out. Character sheet generates a image of that same character from different angles. Here you can see we can save time as we don't need to write that complex prompt or where generate the image in the same canvas from front angle, rear angle and etc. So these are very helpful where we need to describe a character. After image is generated, we can change its aspect ratio by clicking on aspect ratio button at the top. If we want to remove background of an image, we can just use isolate code. With the help of these slash commands, you can get proper professional output. You are saving time. Here you are avoiding writing long descriptive prompts and getting proper output you desired. With the help of there are many more slash commands available. I will make more videos about that soon. Please subscribe and share this video as much as possible.